Okay children, the given question is fourth one. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeters and its length is 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in square meters. So this is the question. In the question, what are given? The diameter of the roller. Roller is nothing but cylinder. It is given. So from diameter we get radius. Fine. Then length is given. That is 120 centimeters. So length of the roller is nothing but height of the cylinder. That means here R and H both are given. So it is asked to find the area of the playground where it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. So here what is the relation between the playground, area of the playground and roller, that we need to understand. So the relation between the area of the playground and the roller. We know very well that the area that is leveled in one revolution is equal to curved surface area of cylinder. So first let us find the radius from the given diameter. Okay. So the diameter it is given here 84 centimeters. So diameter equals to, that is D equals to 84 centimeters. From this now let us find radius. R equals to D by 2. So D by 2 is nothing but 84 centimeters by 2. We get 42 centimeters. Okay, fine. Now the given length of the roller is given 120. So length is given at height. So height of the cylinder is equals to 120 centimeter. So we have to find out curved surface area of the roller. So CSA of roller is nothing but CSA of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Pi value we take approximately 22 by 7. That is 2 is multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by R. We have got here 42 multiplied by H 120. So now let us calculate this. Let us simplify. 7 6 are 42. Now let us multiply all these values. So 22 2s are 44 multiplied by 126 are 720. So let us find the value. So you get by multiplying 31680. What is this 31680? 31,680 centimeter square. Okay. So this is nothing but CSA of roller. So here we write the relation CSA of roller. So now let us write CSA of roller is equals to, what we need to write? Area of the playground. Okay. In one revolution. Area leveled by roller in one revolution. One revolution. Okay, so this is the relation between the CSA of roller and area leveled by roller in one revolution. But in the question, what it is given? It is given that it requires 500 revolutions. So to get the area of the playground, whole area of playground, what we need to do? We need to multiply CSA by 500. So we can write that 500 multiplied by CSA. That is 500 into, what we have got CSA of roller here? 31,680 centimeter square. 31,680 centimeter square. Let us multiply this. Here we have got area of playground that is 1584,000. It is in centimeter square. That is 1,58,40,000 centimeter square. But it is a big number. So we need to convert this big number into meter square to get the smaller number. So for that we need to divide this number by 10,000. That is 1584 and 4 zeros. So here we get 1584 meter square. So this is what is the area of playground. Okay, here the fifth question, let us see. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeters in diameter and 3.5 meters in height. Now observe carefully, children. Here the diameter of the pillar is given in centimeters, whereas the height is given in meters. So the both must be in same units. Okay, so that we convert later. It is asked to find the cost of the painting the CSA, that is curved surface of the pillar, at the rate of 12.50, 12 rupees 50 paisa per square meters. That means by reading the question we understand that we need to find the CSA of the pillar. So what is the CSA of the pillar? That is 2 pi r, because the pillar is nothing but cylinder. So first let us write the radius. From that, so here the diameter is given 50 centimeters. So that implies radius is t by 2. That is 50 by 2 centimeters. That will get 25 centimeters. Since the height is given in meters, this 25 centimeters can also be converted into meters. So that is r equals to 25 divided by 100 meters. That is 0.25 meters. So this is nothing but r, radius. Now the height is given 3.5 meters. So now let us find CSA of pillar. So here CSA of pillar, the formula will be 2 pi r h, because pillar is in the shape of cylinder. So that implies CSA equals to, you can write as 2 is multiplied by pi. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 multiplied by r. Here we have got r, that is 0.25 multiplied by h, that is 3.5. So if you observe 7 and 3.5, 7 ones are and 7 0.5s are. Now let us calculate all this. So here obviously we get here 22 2s are 44 multiplied by 25 5s are 125. But here you give proper decimals. Here 2 decimal places are there. Here 1 decimal place is there. So on the whole, in the product 3 decimal places should be there. That means the product of 0.25 and 0.5 will be 0.125. Now let us multiply these both numbers. So if you work out in rough place here, you get 44 multiplied by 0.125, 5500. If you pre proper location of the decimal point, you get 5.5. So 5.5 meter square is the CSA of the pillar we have got. Now what we need to do? We need to find the cost of the painting. So what is given here? The cost of the painting per 1 meter square, that is 12 rupees 50 paise. Okay, so let us write that. So the cost of painting per 1 meter square is 12 rupees 50 paise as it given in the question. Now total cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar will be 12.50 multiplied by 5.5. We are multiplying the cost of painting per 1 meter square by CSA of the pillar, whatever we have got. Now we work out this multiplication in the rough space. So here you get 68.75. 68 rupees 75 paisa. What is this? This is the cost of painting of the pillar.